This is what you're up against. The everyday challenges that you face. Every second counts. Every drop matters. There's no time to waste. And when you have to clean for thousands of guests, day in and day out, 365 days a year, the smart choice is Nilfisk. The Nilfisk floor care range has been designed to battle even the toughest everyday challenges and win every time. Reducing your everyday cleaning cost per square meter by optimizing your water and detergent consumption, letting you clean longer. Cleaning modes that can be switched on the fly, saving you valuable time every day. And innovative designs making the machines whisper quiet and letting you clean during the daytime without disturbing your guests. Save on cost, not on clean.